Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change email Twitter X. Access your Twitter X profile. There, you will click on More, and after this, click on Settings and Privacy. Now select the option Account Information. After that, click on the option Email. There you will see the current email. Finally, you will click on the line Update Email Address. Follow the steps of the wizard to carry out this change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.